is one. I mean, when I say 100, like 300 or 400. Ow, I bit my tongue. They're trying to give me that tongue.
See here.
Oh no, I've been to.
You know, like the little sparkles in between it?
Yeah. Dude.
Like you can see the sparkles, right?
Yeah.
But you see the black in between it?
Uh-huh.
It's black, huh? That's what I see, like, supernatural.
See right there? That smoke.
And while they're busy reloading,
You see it? It's actually, I think, building something. You see that?
Yep.
They do it on top of the houses.
And the lock seems broken. Got me choking on discussions I cannot keep open. I'm fully clothed in this cock tease moment. The last cigarette sits between my lips, but I will not smoke it. While it dangled, I got strangled by a second hand. Broke the ropes when I held my breath and let my chest expand. Through the